I don't know, how do we start these freaking things?
Hi.
Hi! What's up, people of the internet? Welcome to this video. I've got a PC that I'm going to be building, because I've got a shit one. Probably shouldn't, but I've got a really bad one, which does not work. We've got two cameras. Hi. We're just going to try build this thing. We both don't know exactly what we're doing, but we're going to figure it out.
That's the fun part.
Two idiots build a computer. Let's go. To begin with, these are the parts we're using for this build. For the motherboard, we're using the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. For the graphics card, we're using a GeForce GTX 1660 Super, a Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, 16GB of DDR4 Ripjaws 5 RAM, a 500GB SSD from Crucial, an Asus dual band network adapter, and a 2TB Seagate Barracuda drive. This is just going to be a memory test on how well we can remember Linus Tech Tip videos.
I'm sorry, who?
Don't worry about it.
The trick is to not break anything, because I am notorious for doing that.
The Ryzen 5 CPU. It's beautiful.
Worth more than my life.
You absolute bloody ass.
Lucky it's in plastic, bro. It absorbs all the shock. Bro, I dropped that graphics card so many times. Do you know that?
Yeah, and yours melted.
It's not like it hit carpet. If it hit carpet, that's when I'd be panicking.
It's worth more than my life. And then drops it. Proceeds to drop. Well, you dropped at birth?
Yes.
Explains a lot.
So that dot's got to match up with that one there.
Which one?
This one around the corner here.
Okay.
Just
Like
drop.
heart surgery.
Thanks, bro.
Alright, it's in.
See,
I did it.
Excellent.
Alright, then
Step one.
pull liver down. That sound is a very scary sound.
I know, right? But that's just the springs.
We did put the fan in the right way around, didn't we?
Was there supposed to be the right way? Success!
We did it!
Almost. I just did this one up a little bit too tight.
Oh, look, it's beautiful. Look at this red. It's such a nice looking red.
Nice crimson red. What do I need?
Trying to.
No, like outside underneath.
Shut up. Look, I see you looking at me. Shut up. Okay, so it goes into the...
Look for the nook first. Where's
this one. Yeah, it's that nook there.
Yeah.
So,
Click.
I did it. Oh,
Good job.
made a noise.
Like, work your way out. Work it around.
I did it. First try. I can always go back and fix it later if it's wrong. Alright. Click and click.
Good job.
Ram. You said you get rid of my SSD. Yes, I will. Gee whiz. Wait, want to take it out? Yes! So that goes in here. Okay, that's in.
Yes.
Case for what? Oh, the dude. Alright, so annoyingly, right after this moment, this camera decided to stop working as well as our main sound recorder. realised the colour of all these cords, it's the McDonald's computer. Da 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 da.
That's
copyright.
draw from it?
Well, I'm not going to call this the Mic computer.
The Mic computer.
It's not what I'm calling it. It's a beautiful GPU. Like, look at it. It's amazing. Never had a GPU before on a computer. Alright, let's give it a shot.
Force it in with a nice little tug. And if you
Appears to be in.
try and pull it out, you shouldn't be able to. Alright, cool. That's it. Ew!
You cut yourself! What? No. That's the short answer. Let me see if it's... No. Alright. So, if we bloody get the... freaking... Mother a freaking mother ape.
There you go. Got it. Winner. Winner, winner,
Right.
chicken dinner.
Right.
That's probably why they didn't connect properly the first time.
Yeah, it doesn't have any power. We started at like 4 in the afternoon. It's now 10:20 nearly. So we're at this for a while. We're tired. We found Dad has a faulty hard drive, so I'll probably give an update at the end of this video. What ended up happening with that. So I guess all there's really left to just do is do a peel, start it up. I hope it works. It needs to work.
Should
How long do you do one of these peeling things?
Ooh.
And then the front round end. That was satisfying. That was really satisfying.
Oh, there you go. It's already unplugged.
No, it's not. It's not on. Ah, it works.
There you go.
It's beautiful. It's a lovely piece of work. Had many issues doing it. You drop the CPU and most things for that matter. You plugged things into the wrong ports. Big oaf.
Hello, I like the little, I like the mesh on top. It's
Yeah,
really nice.
it makes it easier to stop dust going in and clean it off. So,
There you go.
it's lovely, it's beautiful. I finally don't have to use a piece of garbage to record videos, make videos, and anything really, gaming at all. It's really good. It's fun. I finally got the most powerful computer in the group. Ha ha ha! Alright, well that was a complete and utter success? Failure? What on earth was that?
A success.
A success?
Scrappy success.
A very messy success.
Congrats.
Like tumbled over the finish line. Anyway,
But we still
if
did
you managed to stick around to the end of the video, congrats. I sure wouldn't have. Lesson to be learned. We shouldn't build computers.
Not gonna be my last rodeo. I can tell you that.
Oh, we suck.